In this video, we are going to see how to design and implement a multiplexer and demultiplexer using logic gates. I am Doshni from A7 batch and my team members are Gokulnath, Gautam and Jabakumar. First, our aim is to analyze the truth table and working of multiplexer and demultiplexer using logic gates by simulation. For simulation, I have used Multisim of version 14.2. These are the components I have used for simulation. Let us move for the theory. First of all, what is multiplexer? A multiplexer is a combinational circuit that has 2 power n input lines and single output line. Simply, the multiplexer is a multi-input and single output combinational circuit where n is the number of selection lines and input lines depends on the number of selection lines. If I give 2 selection line, I'll get 4 input lines. Therefore, it is called 4x1 multiplexer. Multiplexer is also called as mux. The binary information is received from the input lines and decided to the output line. On the basis of the values of selection line, one of these data input will be connected to the output. If I give 0, 0 for the selection line, I'll get an output as 1, A, because A is directly connected to the output. If I give 1, 1 here, I'll get an output D because D is directly connected to the output. Let us move for the truth table where S0, S1 are the selection lines, S0 is an LSB and S1 is MSB, D0, D1, D2 and D3 were the input lines and X is the output line. If I give S1 0, S0 0 and D0 1, D1 0, D2 0, D3 0, I'll get an output X as 1. If S1 is 0, S0 1, D0 0, D1 1, D2 0, D3 0 and X is 1. If I give S1 1, S0 0, D0 0, D1 0, D2 1, D3 0 and I'll get output as 1. If I give both selection lines S0 and S1 is 1 1 and D0 0, D1 0, D2 0 and D3 1, I'll get output as 1. This is the function table in which I'll give S1 0 and S0 0. I'll get an output D0 because the binary information for 0 0 is 0. Therefore, D0 is directly connected to the output to get an output D0. Then, if I give S1 0, S0 1, I'll get an output D1. If I give S1 1 and S0 0, I'll get output D2. If I give 1 1, I'll get output D3. These are the K-maps for the above 4 combination. This K-map is for first combination in which I need D0 as an output. So I get D0 as an output at the combination of 0 0 at D0 at 1. I'll get D0 as an output. So Y equal to D0 S1 bar S0 bar. This is for second combination. I need D1 as an output, so I'll get D1 as an output at the combination of 0 1 at D1 as 1. So the expression is D1 S1 bar S0. This is for third combination in which I need D2 as an output, so I get D2 as an output at the combination of 1 0 at D2 is 1. I'll get an expression D2 S1 S0 bar. This is the schema for fourth combination in which I need D3 as an output. I'll get D3 as an output at the combination of 1 1 at D3 is 1. I'll get D3 S1 S0. This is the expression for multiplexer and this is the logic diagram. I have used this. This is the logic diagram for multiplexer. I connected the circuit according to that logic diagram. S1 and S0 are the selection lines. S0 is LSB and S1 is MSB. X1 and X2 are the indicators for the selection lines. This S1 and S0 where we get is move for source and go to digital sources. Next, interactive digital contact. Here we get the switches. Click OK and place it in the connection board. And this is the indicators. This we can get from same source. And go to indicators and to probe and select the colors for the LEDs and give OK to the lights and place it in the circuits. where you can require, and D0, D1, D2 and D3 were the selection input lines, and X3, X4, X5 and X6 are the indicators, and X7 is the output line. These are the ICs I have used for this connection. This is an NOT gate IC, this both are AND gate IC, and this is OR gate IC. These ICs are we get from here. We'll get ICs from here. This is all about the connections of this multiplexer. I have already connected these connections according to logic diagram. Let us check the truth table first. If I give S1 0, S0 0, D0 1, D0 1, I'll get an output 1. If I give S1 0, S0 1, D0 0, D1 1, I'll get an output 1. Let's move for third combination. If I give S1 1, S0 0, D0 0, D1 0, D2 1 and D3 0, I'll get an output 1. If I give, let us move for fourth combination. If I give S1 1, S0 1, S0 1, D2 0, D1 0, D2 0 and D3 1, I'll get an output 1. This is all about multiplexer. Let us move for demultiplexer. In name itself, we know that, in name itself we can know that is demultiplexer is opposite to multiplexer. Demultiplexer is also a combinational circuit that has only one input line and 2 power n output lines. Simply, the demultiplexer is a single input line and multi output lines. In this selection, the output lines depends upon the number of selection lines. The information is received from the single input and directed to the output line on the basis of the values of the selection lines. The input line will be connected to one of these outputs. Demultiplexer is opposite to the multiplexer. Demultiplexer is otherwise called as demux. If we give 2 selection line, we get 4 output line. Therefore, we call it as 1 cross 4 demultiplexer. Let us move for the truth table. Where S1 and S0 were the selection lines, S1 is LSB and S1 is MSB. This is the input lines, and 0, 0, 01, O2 and O3 were the output lines. If I give 0, 0, 0, I'll get output 0. If I give S1 0, S0 0 and the input line 1, I'll get output D1, D0 as 1 and the remainings are 0. If I give S1 0, S0 1 and the input line 0, I'll get output 0. If I give S1 0, S0 1 and input line 1 and we get output at D1 and the remainings are 0. If I give S1 1, S0 0 and input line 0 and the outputs are 0. If I give S1 1, S0 0 and the input line 1, we'll get output at D2 and the remainings are 0. If I give S1 and S0 both 1 and the selection line 0, we get an output 0. If I give both selection line 1 1 and the input line 1, we get an output at D3 and the remainings are 0. Please look over this. If we give input line 0 0 0, we get an output 0. If we give 1 1 for the input lines, we'll get an corresponding outputs. The outputs depends upon our binary information. This is our function table. If I give 0 0, I'll get an input 0, D0. That is, if I give 0 1, I'll get D1. If I give 1 0, I'll get D2. For 1 1, I'll get D3. This is the K-map for the above combinations. In that combination, this 0 0 input lines combinations are totally 0, so we can neglect these 4 combinations. Let us take only these 4 combinations where we get the output. Let us see the K-map for that the combinations. I need D0 as output, so I'll get D0 as an output at the combination of 0 1. At S1 is 0, I'll get a D0 as an output, and the expression is S1 bar, S0 bar, and X. Here this is the second combination. Here I need D1 as an output, so we get the D1 as an output at the combination of 1 1, and at the S1 is 0, so we get an expression of S1 bar S0 X. And this is for third combination in which D2 is an output. I get D2 as output at the combination of 0 1. At S1 is 1, I'll get an output of S1 S0 bar and X. This is for fourth combination. I need D3 as an output, so we get D3 as an output at the combination of 1 1. At S1 is 0, we get D3 as an output, and the expression is S1 S0 and X. This is the logic diagram for demultiplexer. Let us move for the simulation. And this is the demultiplexer circuit which I have connected already according to that logic diagram. Same S1 S0 are the selection lines. This is the input line, and these are the indicators for that lines, and this is D0, D1 and D2 and D3 are the output lines. Same, these switches we get from the source, and the indicators also get from the source indicators probe, and these ICs are from here. This is an not IC, and it is AND IC, and it is also an AND IC. Let us check the combinations. Totally we have 8 combination, in which 4 we are neglected, and the remaining 4 we are going to check here. If I give S0 0, S1 0, S0 0 and X is 0, everything is 0. If I give S1 0, S0 0 and input line 1, if S0 0, S0 0 and then input line 1, I'll get an output D0. Let us check the second combination. If I give S0, S1 0 and S1 1, I'll get an output D1. If I give S1 1, S0 0 and input line 1, I'll get an output D2. If I give S1 1, S0 1 and input line 1, I'll get an output D3. This is all about demux multiplexer. At the result, both multiplexer and demultiplexer are opposite to each other, and these are all about the design and implementation of multiplexer and demultiplexer using logic gates in the simulation. Thank you.